Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're looking at the best Cowrywise way to understand compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It is the reason your parents at Joel was so powerful. Let's use your Cowrywise dashboard to see how your money can literally grow on trees. Simple interest is you getting paid on your seed money. Compound interest is you getting paid on your seed money and on all the previous harvest. Your money has babies and those babies have more babies. You can go to any fund on Cowrywise and look for the projected growth or calculator tool. For example, if you put in 10,000 monthly at 15% annual return, it will show you totals after 10 years and 20 years. The shocking jump is the compound interest. Now we're looking at number 2, which is starting late and stopping. These are two enemies. You see, if you delay by 5 years, it can cost you millions. And withdrawing your interest kills your money babies. On Cowrywise, you are always advised to reinvest your earnings. Use the calculator today to input your own monthly amount, see the future numbers. That is not magic, it is mathematics in your favor. Compound interest isn't a get-rich-quick scam. It is a get-rich slow certainty. Your most powerful tool is starting now. Let your Cowrywise plan run like a fan. If this light bulb moment hits you, share this video with a friend who needs to see it.